In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see chat and hand raises while you're presenting in Microsoft Teams. Whether you're an educator, a team leader, or someone who regularly hosts meetings, being able to manage interactions without losing focus on your presentation is key. So, let's walk through the straightforward steps to enhance your virtual meeting experience on Microsoft Teams. First, you'll want to head over to the Microsoft Teams website. This is where everything begins. Go ahead and open your preferred web browser and type in the web address to get to the official Microsoft Teams site. Once you're there, look to the top right corner of your screen. You should see the Sign In button. Clicking on this will prompt you to enter your Microsoft account credentials, so be ready with your login details to seamlessly access your account. Once you're logged in, it's time to join your meeting. You can navigate to the meeting you wish to join from your calendar or inbox. Click on the meeting link, which will take you directly to your ongoing session. This is where all the action happens. Now, for the sake of this demonstration, let's engage in a quick exercise. Direct your attention to the top right corner again and click the Raise button. This might feel unnecessary if you're running a meeting solo, but it's an important step to know, especially when you need to illustrate how participants can engage during a live session. Next, let's focus on the right-hand panel. Click on People, which is again located at the top right. This is a crucial section as it lists everyone currently in the meeting. More importantly, here's where you find all those who've decided to raise their hands, perhaps for a question or comment. The capability to see and address these raised hands promptly can significantly enhance the interactivity and smooth flow of your meeting. So, make sure to keep an eye on this section throughout your presentation. Shifting our focus to another essential feature, you'll want to click on Chat to view the chat box. It's typically located in the same area at the top of your screen. The chat function is a lively hub of participant interaction, perfect for managing questions, sharing links, or collaborating in real time. By keeping this open, you'll remain in tune with any messages that pop up during your presentation, enabling you to address them at the appropriate times without breaking the flow. And that's it. By following these steps, you're now all set to handle chat and hand raises like a pro during your presentations in Microsoft Teams. This simple yet effective approach allows you to engage better with your audience, creating a more interactive and efficient online meeting space. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thanks for tuning in and happy presenting!